Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know this setup is kind of unusual for what I usually have. The thing is that I was filming a get ready with me, like a rose gold eye get ready with me, and I have everything on my vanity and I really did not want to switch it up. I just wanted to keep going with the flow. Alright guys, so what I have for you guys today are Target beauty boxes. I know you guys love these. I think everybody loves these. All right, so I was actually able to get one of these for $5. I don't remember if it was, because there's one of beauty and there's one of skincare. This is skincare, this is beauty. I don't remember which one was $5, but I was actually able to get one of them for $5. So Target beauty boxes is kind of like a subscription, but not really. It just comes out whenever it's gonna come out and you have to get your hands on it. If not, you lost, and that's about it. So that's how it works. So I was able to get both Target beauty boxes. You kind of have to be attentive to your emails or to their website to know when it's out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna open this one up first. This is the skincare one, and it's called Hello Skinsational. So it has just like a little thing, a little explanation here, and then you always get a $3 off coupon for skincare purchase of $15 or more. I always say it's worth it because if it costs $7, which is what it usually costs, you get $3 off, it's $4 for the box. And if it was $5 and I get $3 off, it's $2 for the box. So it's always worth it, you know? So it comes like this. And inside, this one brings a Cetaphil moisturizing cream for dry and sensitive skin. This is a sample size, and I love Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It's the one that we use at home. It's an amazing brand. We absolutely love it. It's great for the skin, so I totally recommend this. I have like huge tubs at home. We got a Dove Derma Series Dry Skin Relief Replenishing Body Lotion, and this one says that it is for severely dry, itchy skin, tested for dermatologists, fragrance free, it's non-sticky, and it has light texture. So that is good. This is always nice to have like in your purse, you know. Ooh, this is another Cetaphil product, and it's an extra gentle daily scrub for the face, and this gently exfoliates with micro fine particles to reveal radiant looking skin, and it cleanses without over drying, and it's non-irritating. This is a nice size to try out. I always like trying out like face washes. That's why I don't really have like a skincare routine, because I try different things all over the board. Next thing in here is from La Roche-Posay, and this is for normal to dry skin, and this is a hydrating gentle cleanser. So this is a cleanser, like a facial cleanser. This one is more like a scrub, and this one is a cleanser. And then we also got something from Vichy Laboratories, which you guys know I love this brand because my shampoo, my Holy Grail shampoo, is from here. And this is a booster quotidian fortifiant, and it says mineral 89. Oh, I'm trying to read it in another language. This is the Skin Fortifying Daily Booster, and it is mineralizing water plus hyaluronic acid. So basically what this says, what does this say? So it says that in the depth of the French volcanoes, Vichy mineralizing thermal water is a powerful active ingredient rich in 15 rare minerals. So I'm guessing it's just like kind of like a serum or like something that boosts your skin every day. And it says it's for all types of skin, even sensitive ones. Apply 2 drops on clean skin morning and evening as the first step of your care routine. I'm interested to try that out. And the last thing in here is from CeraVe, which is another really good skin like lotion brand and stuff, skincare brand, and it's the Skin Renewing Night Cream. And this is a sample size, and I'd like to try this out and see how I like it. It doesn't smell like anything. It's just like a pasty lotion. That's interesting. I'd like to try that out because I don't know if I like Cetaphil or CeraVe more. I think Cetaphil, but I'd like to try this out and see. So that's that for the skincare box. Now we're gonna go into the beauty box. So in here, this one says, hello, flawless beauty finds. And it tells you what's inside of your box, and it gives you like little tips, and you also get a coupon code for $3 off on a beauty purchase of 15 or more. So you can't go wrong with the Target boxes, seriously. So in here we have, this is very interesting. I'm excited to try this. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Relaxing Deodorant with plant-based deodorizers. So I've been on the hunt for years for like a natural deodorant. And I always end up going back to like my Secret, because usually what happens is it'll be okay for like maybe the first couple of days. And then afterwards, you know, I need a regular deodorant. So I like getting samples of natural deodorants to see if they actually work. This one smells really, really nice. I think I would have preferred the coconut and mimosa scent, but this is the argan oil and lavender. Because sometimes the scents that they have in them actually are what make you smell worse. But this says it's 24-hour odor protection and it's no aluminum, which is good. So I'm dying to try this and see. This is from the Up and Up brand, and this is a 2-count of premium cotton rounds. And this is nice to like take off your makeup or, you know, things like that. This is from Palmer's, and this is the cocoa butter formula with vitamin E skin therapy oil. And this is for scars, stretch marks, dry or damaged skin, uneven skin tone, and aging skin. So this is nice. 93% of women tested saw a reduction in the appearance of scars. Guys, I actually think that that's kind of true for some reason. Because I remember when I had Christopher, when he was just a baby, I was using that bio oil thing because it said that it removed like stretch marks and things like that. And I saw, like, of course it doesn't remove them 100%, but I did see like less of, you know, like less prominent. All right, the next thing in here is a body wash, and I love getting body washes. And this is from Method Body, Peony Rose Water, and Pink Sea Salt. It's called Pure Peace, and it looks like this. This is adorable. This is like this is nice for traveling. So let's smell it. Oh, this smells so good. That's definitely the peony in there and the rose. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm so happy I got that. The next thing in here is from Garnier, and it's the Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, all-in-one waterproof. It removes makeup, even waterproof mascara, plus cleanses, plus refreshes. No rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, and eyes. All skin types, even sensitive. And you guys saw, I don't know if yeah, I did show you guys. I showed you guys that I really, really liked the pink one. I've never tried the waterproof one, but I'm interested in trying this out with the cotton rounds. Next thing in here, I usually don't ever use this, but this is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. And it gives you a little tip. It says, when applying, look down into your mirror, not straight, for the most precision. I don't know. And then the next thing in here is the Schmidt's Wonderment with Activated Charcoal Tooth and Mouth Paste. It helps whiten teeth and freshen breath. I'm excited to try that. So, what did you guys think of the beauty boxes? I definitely think that they're worth the price. You get a bunch of great products in there to try out. You even get full-size products to try out. So I think that they are definitely worth it. Let me know what you guys think. Which one did you like better, the skincare or the beauty one? I definitely, of course, like the beauty one better, but the skincare one is also really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye, my loves.